Hey guys, welcome to me. Today I will be unboxing two beautiful new Kindle things, a fabric cover and a regular 10-gen Kindle that came out 12 days ago. So let's get started.
Where are you now? Where are you now?
Hey guys, oh, second camera. Hey guys, welcome to Testimony. Today we are going to be unboxing Kindles. Now zoom in, please. Kindle. Yeah. Why am I doing this? Okay, best part ever, not the Kindle case. Say treat a Kindle, guys. That's how it works. What's this? Oh, so satisfying. Why is there tape there? Wait a minute. It says not compatible with Kindle Paperwhite. So, this is a nice case. Okay, guys. Delicious. This is a nice case. And it magnetically goes into the back. That's pretty cool. It's a smart cover case. That's pretty nice mechanism for a smart cover. Let's move in to the best part, the only part, the Kindle. Can you zoom in? Okay. You can just use the zooming in. Okay, let's rip this off, and you're almost ready to go. Pull this tab, and you have got a Kindle. Now, it's almost like a book, but it's not supposed to be opened. Just slide out your Kindle. Remember, your Kindle by selecting the Kindle user guide in the library on the device. But guess what? There's more. There's a really good cable. That's nice. And that's all they include in the box, really? Okay. Just gonna hold this. Oh, come on. Hold this tab and the sleek new Kindle with a press of a button. It has light. It has light. Oh, and I forgot to tell you all about the specs. It has an adjustable front light that lets you read comfortably for hours and outdoors, day and night. Purposeful for reading with a 167 ppi glare-free display that reads like paper, even in direct sunlight. Distraction-free, blah, 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 highlight. Okay, I don't care, that's from the last one. Select from millions of books. Now you can use a single battery charge for less weeks and Audible. This is when it gets interesting. So, let me get over here. You're going to select English. Get started. And it will prepare your device. Just give it a minute. Now, while that's happening, let's show you how you put in the case. So, open up the case. Ooh, it also magnetically closes. Which way does it go in? Does it? Oh, yeah, it's kind of obvious. So, your Kindle's on the bottom. That means this Kindle that it shows here, right here, goes on the bottom as well. So, Kindle and Kindle. Now, drop the Kindle in. I think this version is a lot more round than the last one. It doesn't look too secure, which is the weird part, but it's in. The light turns off when you close it, and on. Worked last time. And on. Okay. Well, let me connect to Wi-Fi. Just give me a moment. Okay, connecting to Amazon. Using existing. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it. Now I have to do the basic setup of the Kindle. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and if you did want to like, please like. And if you don't want to like, we'll leave. So, goodbye.